Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start at the console, press the Xbox button and go straight to Profile and System, then Settings. Once there, open General and Power Mode and Startup. Change Power Mode to Instant On so the system stays ready, and set the console's inactivity timer. Choose Don't Turn Off or the longest available option. Do this now, because once the console won't sleep, Fortnite can run uninterrupted without the system cutting power during matches or build sessions. Next, take care of peripherals and account settings. Go to Devices and Connections, choose Accessories, and set Controller Idle Timeout to maximum so your pad doesn't go dark mid-game. Make sure your profile is signed in and Keep Me Signed In is active. Sign out triggers may return the console to sleep. Also enable background apps and automatic updates so Fortnite updates won't force a shutdown. These steps keep input and account activity present, which helps prevent sleep while you play. Finish by restarting the Xbox so your new settings stick. Then launch Fortnite and leave it idle briefly to confirm it no longer sleeps. If the console still goes to sleep, check for conflicting energy-saving features on your router or any connected USB devices, and confirm the power mode didn't revert after an update. If problems continue, update the console OS. Then try a soft factory reset that preserves games and apps. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.